You don't suffer from loneliness, you practice loneliness. Okay, in the vast majority of cases, loneliness is a choice. Okay, there are very few cases in which you have such a mixture of terrible circumstances that loneliness is not a choice. It's just that most lonely men don't do what it takes to not be lonely anymore. You know, maybe this is you. Maybe you're just hoping that you're gonna somehow stop being lonely. Like someone is gonna come and save you from your loneliness, which, by the way, if that's what you're actually hoping for and you're hoping that someone will save you romantically, you better make friends before that happens. You better make friends before you find a girlfriend, because that's for another video, but don't get into a relationship if you have no friends, and do not abandon your friends once you get into a relationship. Okay, let's put that out of the way for now. If you're just staying home and you're like, I don't know anybody, I don't know how to meet people. Okay, and what, that's the end of it? You don't know how to meet people and you don't know anybody, so you're just stuck with loneliness? No, just go out there and make an effort, you know? Learn how to meet people, learn how to talk to people, initiate hangouts. Loneliness is not like a condition. I mean, sure, but it's not something that happens to you as much as it's something that you create for yourself. And it's your responsibility to get out of that situation, to not be lonely anymore. Okay? And I'm here to help, you know, like check out the links in the description, or just keep watching my videos, or send me a message. But at the end of the day, you are in power, right? It's in your hands. You don't suffer from it. You choose it. Feel free to disagree, but I feel like some of you need that reality check.